Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Bernard Harris here with the Pikes Peak Strategic Group and the AmeriPlan Corporation. We would like to direct our comments to our fellow veterans, both active and retired, and let you know, folks, I do believe we have the very best of benefits on the medical side. However, when it comes to dental and vision, ladies and gentlemen, we collectively are lacking if you depend on what's offered. The system was made in what they believe a little bit better by having the FedVIP program. And that FedVIP program went from one provider to 11. But what do they have in common? For an average family of four, it's going to cost you $100+ for a family of four. And that is just, I'm going to repeat, just your dental. That also means you're still going to have waiting periods and you're going to have caps and limitations. Folks, with us, that is absolutely not the case. One other thing that I'd like to point out to you, in the great state of Colorado, concentrated in the Colorado Springs Fountain area and up in Denver with Berkeley Air Force Base, we have a ton of providers. But I need to let you know, if you have traditional insurance, you're paying too much money, whether you're 40, 50, 60 years old. And my partner, Bill Gamble, also a veteran of several decades plus, he will tell you that, we want to help you out. You are part of the team, which includes your family. What do you think, Bill?
Absolutely, Bernard. And I'll use myself as an example. As a disabled vet, the VA gives me one pair of glasses, and I appreciate that. But if you wear glasses, who gets by with one pair? So I've used my AmeriPlan eligibility for me and my wife. And as I've told time and again, we've got $800 worth of glasses, including the transitions, and my wife got the fancy kind for about $395 for a pair for her and a pair for me, in addition to what the VA gives me. So I can't tell you enough what a savings that is. If I had to pay for all that myself, it would be around $900. For the two of us. And not only that, we've used the dental plan. I've got crowns. Both of us have had crowns. And when it comes to discounts, you won't find one cheaper than AmeriPlan, a porcelain crown costing $545. And my wife and I have each had dental work with the crown specifically. And, crowns, average cost of a crown is like about $1,500, and the AmeriPlan price for $545, you just can't beat that. So it's as I said, as a veteran, I've always had the military take care of me, but after retirement, there's some things that the military doesn't take care of anymore, to the extent in terms of what I really need and what my wife needs, what my kids need. So AmeriPlan has really provided that valuable cost-saving supplement for us, particularly with dental care and vision care. We've used both of them for several years, and I swear by them. And I'll give you specifics if you give me a call if you want more than what I've told you in this video. So please, for you military folks who are just retiring or have retired and still need, we all need those services. I encourage you strongly, as a veteran myself, who uses the program, I strongly encourage you to check AmeriPlan out before going to one of these. Now, I guess there are 11 different choices since they canceled the TriCare dental program. If you look at all those choices, you're going to be paying over $100 a month for you, for a family of four. You're going to be paying over $100 a month just for dental care. And you can't get the care with that kind of money, $24.95 a month for you and everybody in your household. I strongly urge you to look at AmeriPlan. Call me and call Bernard, call Ed, and we will certainly give you book, chapter, and verse on our own personal experience. We wouldn't be doing this. I wouldn't be able to recommend to you as strongly as hopefully I am if I didn't use it myself, had not used it for myself several years. And I think Bernard and Ed would tell you the same thing. And so, Ed, we've got a program second to none. What do you think?
Oh, I tell you, Bill, what you and Bernard have said is just fantastic. And me, you know, my career wasn't in the military, but I did wear that uniform on the street in Southern California as a law enforcement officer, and fortunate enough to retire, you know, with some decent health insurance, but the dental was still lacking.
Mm-hmm.
And I have found out that by using my AmeriPlan Dental Plus card, I have saved considerable money with our discount membership program with crowns and things that you had mentioned, up to 50%. And another thing that's happening these days, we have blended families, whether they're in law enforcement families or military families, you have blended families. So it's not unusual to have a daughter or a granddaughter that may be living with you, and they don't have any type of medical at all, and they need dental care, or they're away at college. And so if they're living in our household, we can put them on our dental plan.
Absolutely.
You can't do that with this, the programs that the government, federal government's coming out with these 11 different programs that used to be TriCare. They got 11, and they're all dental insurance. And dental insurance can be very expensive. And I know here in the state of Colorado, I just was looking the other day, their top end Delta Dental program was $148 for a family of 4. Yeah, I mean, that doesn't count co-pays and all these other things. And you can save a substantial amount of money with our discount dental program for $24.95 or $298 a year. That's a substantial savings. And as Bernard has talked about in the future, you can take that extra money, especially if you're under 65 or so, and put it in an SHA account, you know, a savings account, and use it for something else. So I can't stress enough, to please shop around when it comes to discount dental programs. When you're trying to compare them, our fellow military retirees, look at how you can save money, because that's the name of the game these days, ladies and gentlemen. They're trying to get the best for your buck. And with the discount dental program, you're going to save money over and over again with dental, vision, prescription, and chiropractic services at virtually pennies on the dollar every month on a membership like a Sam's or a Costco program. So once again, please take a look at the bottom of this video. Give us a call, Bill, Bernard, or myself, Ed Harrison. We'll be glad to talk to you about, make some comparisons how we can save money for you, not just in the state of Colorado, but across the country, on how we can save you and your family money on your dental services. Thank you and have a great day.